Hi everyone. So today our class will be about whiteboard animation. So I'm going to create an animation, like a whiteboard animation from Hasia Graphics. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'll go to Chrome. Here, Chrome, I'll enter. Then I'll search for sketch. But if you have, like, maybe you want to do for a graphic design or a video animation or any other thing, you just select the one you want. So I don't like all these ones here, so I will write sketch illustrations for graphic design. Graphic design. Then I'll come to images. Yeah, so we have many here, so I'll pick like 3. So I think I'll just, okay, wait, yes, I'll download this. Then I will also download this one here, this one. Then I'll write sketch illustrations of a man holding a board. Yeah, so can you see? So I'll pick anyone. Yes, I think I like this, so I'll download. Then I'll also search for sketch illustrations of a hand. Yes, so I'll pick this one. But this one is having watermarks. Look at the watermarks. So we are not using the one with watermark. Let me check for another one, the one that is counting 3. You can use anyone, but I'm using the one that is counting 3. Here. Then the last one, I'll search sketch illustrations of a delivery man. Yes, so I'll go with this. Yeah, so that's all I need. That's all the sketch illustration I need for mine. So for your own, you can use any business you want. You search for the sketch illustration and then make it. So the next thing, we are going to our Benim app. So this is how it looks like here. So it looks like this. we enter. So these are all the projects that I've made. So we'll click on this plus sign here, click on it, then you name your animation. Let me write whiteboard. Yes, so this is it. So when you enter your Benim app, this is the interface. What thing I'll do, I'll click on this sticker place, then I'll click on add image here, the first column. So the next thing I'll do, I'll select this my picture that I downloaded from Chrome. So but I want to crop this thing, so I think since I can't crop it here, I'll just increase the size by dragging this thing here. I'll increase it like this, then I will hide it. Yes, then I want to write something, so I'll click on this text place, text, then I'll write 3 reasons why you should choose Asia graphics. Yes, so I will reduce the size. If you want to reduce the font size, can you see this 100 here? If you want to reduce it, you click on this arrow, you click on it. So as I'm clicking it, can you see that it's reducing in size? And if you don't want to be clicking on this arrow, you just click on the number here, like you just click on the number, then you write the font size. Like, let's say, let me write 50. Can you see? But I don't like it like this, so I'll increase the size. I think let me use 90. Okay, background should be white because that's why it's called whiteboard animation. That's why it's called whiteboard animation. So then the next thing, we will add another page. You click on this plus here, plus again. Can you see we are having a different page now? So the next thing, I will write a text again. We create unique and creative designs. So that's number 1. And if you want to change the font, you just click on this AA here. When you click on it, you can see different types of font, so you choose the one you like. But for me, I'm using this one here. So then I'll click on this sticker again, then I'll bring another image that I downloaded earlier from Chrome. Yes, so I think this one, but I'll crop it. Yes, so it's okay like this. Then I'll add it. Can you see? Then I'll go to the next page, this plus again. Then I'll write text. Fast and accurate. Then I'll go and get that delivery image sketch illustration I downloaded earlier. Yes, then I'll increase it. If you want to increase the size here, then you drag it. I'll drag. Then can you see that the text is behind the picture? So I'll just click on the text and press bring front here. Yes, so now it's perfect. Then now another plus again to add another page. Then text, affordable prices. So then I'll put it here. Then I'll go to stickers again and add another image of my like. Yes, this place, it's supposed to be something like money, but I don't think I have that image. Or let me check the stickers. You can check this upside here. If you don't want to download, you can just use these images that are these sketch illustrations that are already in this Benim app, because you can create lots of whiteboard animations with this. Okay, I'm looking for more. Yes, so I've seen this one, so let me remove this. Then I'll increase the size. Yes, so this is perfect. Then the last page we are going to add is the last part. So I'll click on sticker again, then I'll click on image, then I'll put the image of that man who was holding a board. Yes, so this is it. I'll increase the size. Okay, then text, then I'll write created by, then colon. I'll reduce the size, use the font size, then bring it to the middle. You have to position it very well. Then text again, then Hasya. I'll increase the size and change the font. Yeah, so this font is okay. Then I'll increase the size. Yes, so the size now is 100. Then I'll copy. When you want to copy, you just click on this duplicate here. So then I'll edit using this pencil here. Then I'll clean it and write graphics. Yes, so this is perfect. The next thing I'll do is that I'll remove this watermark here. So you remove it using data. So I'll click on it. I'm waiting for this watch art to turn purple like this up one. But I think it will take time, so I'll just leave it. So let's play our work. Let's see. If you want to play it, you come here, up here, then play. Can you see? Then I think I will add a sound. So if you want to add a sound, you just come to music here, this last place here, music. Then you touch music again. Let me see. So let me play it.
كنت ميتا في بحور الغي والإثم غريقا كنت عاقدا في قيود الذنب مملوكا رقيقا مدني الشيطان.
So if you want to add the volume or reduce it, you just click on the music, then you click on volume here. Okay, if you want to reduce it, you can reduce it. So I'll reduce mine a little bit. Yes. So the next thing we are going to do is to save. So when you want to save, you click on this share here, then you name your movie, and when naming you should not add space, because when you add space it will not do. So whiteboard, can you see rendering movie in progress? So we'll wait for it to finish. So can you see movie saved to your gallery? So let's check our gallery and see.
الغي والإثم غريقا كنت عابدا في قيود الذنب مملوكا رقيقا.
The next thing we are going to do, this their watermark, we are going to remove it. So we go to InShot, then we will click on this new plus, this green plus here, then we will select our animation. So this is it. We'll remove the watermark for the InShot too. Yes, so the next thing we are going to click on this text, then text again, then I will write Hasya. You can write any name there. If you don't have a brand name, you can use your name, Hasya Graphics. Then yes, so I'll select this one. Yes, so this is it. Then I'll bring it down to the logo place. Or let me edit. So make it like this, so that it will just cover the watermark. Yes, perfect. Then you come down here and click on the name, then you click on this arrow, then video end, then here to this left arrow, you click on it, then video beginning. So let's play our video.
كنت ميتا في بحور الغي والإثم غريقا كنت عابدا في قيود الذنب مملوكا رقيقا.
Can you see it? So this is how it will go till the end of the video. So that's all. Then the next thing you are going to do, you are going to export. So can you see converting video? Normally it will play an ad for you. You will see it in your gallery. So that's all for today. Bye.